What's up everybody? Today we have a classic 350 white color classic 350, one of the UC models which has come for service. You see the pre-condition. This is one of our existing customers. You see this sticker on the wheel. Yeah, so this guy's been coming to us for quite a long time. So please pardon the carburetor sound. Please pardon the compressor sound in the background. Tumba carburetor ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ. But yeah, so here's what we have done. Remove the tank, clean up all these parts, clean the carburetor, and then check the plugs. Need to remove the plugs, change the plugs. We come here down to the chain sprocket part where customer asked for a chain sprocket replacement. See the coil. See this monkey working here. Coming to the other side, we have a regular this thing where we'll remove the battery, put it for charging as part of a regular maintenance. You see there, you see the battery there. You see the condition of this carburetor pipe here. As a sincere request, LRGO, please maintain your bikes periodically. Don't let it come to this condition and then come and service the bike. It becomes too much of a hassle, too much of a cost, and then you feel maintenance of the vehicle is too much and all that. See, then we have the gear lever, the side stand. Let's see, the side stand is a little, that's pretty hard. Here's the oil. We've removed the oils. The condition of the oil is very thick. That's completely gone, totally burnt. Don't know for how many days it was used. Then here we have the air filter box, is yet to be cleaned. See the kind of muck there is here on the chain sprocket. This is how real dirty it gets. I don't know if you can see this fine. Let's see, some kind of muck. This is a GB sprocket. Terrible muck on this. Poorly maintained. See all these parts, this dirt. You see engines. This is the deep cleaning that we do of all this muck here. Complete muck is going to be cleaned fully with petrol and the chain cleaner mix what we have. Then waiting for the sprocket. See, this is the inner side of the engine, the chain sprocket press and the GB sprocket. Just see the muck. It's insane. Need to periodically get this done, otherwise it's just going to be a mess. See the color of the oil in this part. This is the side glass, other side of the side glass. There's a lot of thirsty oil. Coil looks good. This is the oil filter area. And here we have the old sprocket. This is the old sprocket. Compare it with the new one. You see the teeth are missing here. This teeth is cut. This is gone. This is gone. Then see more of it gone. This is a brand new sprocket. All its teeth intact. So there's a common misconception about maintenance of the sprocket. So generally, to save money, a lot of people will just change only the sprocket, but the chain is the one that is damaging the sprocket, and it's not the sprocket that is damaging the chain. So if you change the sprocket without changing the chain, you're just putting this new sprocket in this condition within no time. That is why we advise you, please change the entire chain sprocket kit, not just the sprocket. So I'm looking for the tank. The tank is right here. See some spillage of from the tank wire. Tank is also in pretty bad condition. This is a common thing in all the Enfields where the paint gets wiped off because it's always under the seat, and when you sit on it, the seat kind of rubs against this paint, the tank surface. When you sit on the seat, that's how slowly years and years of using the bike starts calling. Although it's not visible to the naked eye or after we put the seat, still that is one of the problems that is there with this bike. And then, sorry, just wipe my hands before I touch the tank. Just looking for some waste here in our workshop. Look at this beautiful Fearometer, very rare to find. Waste ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಏನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋರ್ಕು ಲೇಟ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಯಾರು ಇದೆ ಅವನು ತಗೊಂಡಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ ಗಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್
See this baby here, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಗರ್. ಹೇ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ, ನಂಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡು. ನಿಧಾನ. Oh yeah, the interesting part about this is this is our handlebar which we have made, and we are using this on the bike. This adds a very new level of comfort when you're riding, and the riding stance is just epic. And more than that, this the parallel bar in the middle is connecting the two handles. You can mount your mobile devices here, or your mobile holders, mounts, your SIM-tac devices can come there. I don't know if you guys know, but there's a SIM-tac device. It's fucking brilliant. And, use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು. So it's a little pricey, but one-time investmentಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ device ಇದು. It comes with Android Auto. Damn good stuff. Just put on the sprocket now. You see this? Sprocket on, fresh chain, brand new chain. This is all cleaned up. You see the muck from before, and now you see this is all completely cleaned from our side. And then yeah, it's a painstaking activity, but that's what maintenance is. And ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗುರು, ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೊಸ ರಬ್ಬರ್ಗಳು, ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಪ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದು ಹಾಕಿಸಿ ಗಾಡಿನ ಕಳಿಸೋದು. ಕೈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿದೆ. ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೈ ಗಲೀಜಾಗದೆ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಸಾರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಶೇಕಿಗೆ. What is ತಗೊಂಬ. ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ cleaning ಮಾಡಿಸಿ we're going to fit it back, free this arm. Placing the chain back on the sprocket, placing the chain link lock now. See this link lock. That secures your chain in place. GB sprocket ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಚೈನ್ ಕೆಲಸ, ಚೈನ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. See the brand new air filter going on here. Also brand new air filter breathes a lot of fresh air into the bike, obviously after filtering it. And this is like a must do on all the services. Just imagine a nose block you have as a person, and then it gets cleared. That's the kind of relief the bike also gets when cleared. So see, this is the place where you fit in the oil filter. That's about it. The back wheel is fit. Back wheel is fit. New chain sprocket is done. Everything is in place. Your brakes are tightened. And yeah, new fresh rubbers go on there. Those sprocket rubbers on that. Yes. So she's getting ready for her wash very soon. Once the tank is fit, we'll send it for a wash. Then I'll show you the final of the bike. Yeah.